Today we will be taking our weaving off of our loom. This is what your loom should look like when you're ready. First, we'll be removing our warp. So you'll start by cutting at the base of your plate where your strings go through and cut all the way around your plate until you've gotten all of them off. You will no longer need your plate, so you can toss that to the side. Now you may notice that there's a lot of spare strings loose in the back of your weaving. We're going to be tying those together, creating an X and then another X like we've been doing to make our knots, and we'll be tying all of those ends off. By doing this, we keep our weaving together so that it doesn't fall apart. If we miss any of those strings, it may fall apart. Tie all of your ends off until you are completely done. This may take some time. Now you're ready to start tying off your warp strings. First, making an X, folding it under, making another X, and folding it under. This is what creates your tassel. Just like a tassel on the end of a rug, it adds a decorative quality to your weaving. We want to make sure that we double knot all of our ties. However, if your strings are too short, make sure that with your only single knot, you tie it tightly. Go all the way around your weaving until you've reached the end. We want to make sure all of those are tied together nicely so that our weaving doesn't fall off. By tying your warp strings, you'll be holding all of your nice colors in place so they won't slip off. Now that we've completed, we want to go back and double check. If we have any loose strings that are pulled through on the front, we can pull them through to the back. Tie off any strings we may have missed. And if you have any very long strings on the back, you can trim those to make them a little bit shorter. Now you're all done. You have a completed weaving.